Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Current. Today's video I'll try to compare the game turbo of the latest version which is present in the Mi 11 to the previous version which is present in the Poco X3 device, as you can see friends. So let's compare the game turbo versions between both the phones, because the latest one in the Mi 11 has got so many tons of features which are I did not even imagine the Mi will be adding this kind of features in the game turbo. So there's so much of customization is going on in this Mi 11, particularly in this new game turbo edition. So let's see friends, maybe in the future with the latest update of the MIUI 12.5 update, we might receive this kind of game turbo features as well. So this can be considered as a MIUI 12.5 game turbo features, particularly this video, even that will be helpful around. And let's get started friends. First thing is that right now I'm using the Poco X3 and here is the Mi 11 just to compare the game turbo between both the versions. So just to clarify what are the same changes you are having in this kind of things. So if you want to download this live wallpaper, so make sure to check the links in description for the live wallpapers. So let's start with the first thing is that how is the animation looks like in the latest game turbo in the 12.5 versus the previous game turbo in the normal 12 version. So let me quickly open the security app and go to the game turbo. So here is the game turbo application. So let me try to start at same time. So let's see what is the animation you are getting here right now. As you can see, you are getting the new type of animation effects in this Mi 11. So that started with a green color. So green color, you did see that kind of welcome screen. So now let me try to quit it again and start again. So you might be able to see the difference. So one thing is that let me try to start one by one. So first let me try to start in the Mi 11 and then I'll try to start in the Poco X3. So because you should even experience the sound what the game turbo makes. So let me try to quickly start. So overall there is no sound right now it's coming, so there is no sound at all. So let me try to disable everything and start again. But I can feel one thing is that the vibration on the back side is really good. I can feel the vibrations coming. So I can feel the vibrations coming from left to right. So this is definitely a sound is there right now. So let me try to do the same thing in this Poco X3. Let me try to increase all the volumes. As you can see friends, this is a sound difference and the animation difference between both the phones. So that is the first thing we did notice. And next thing is that in the latest MIUI 12.5 version, you do have this kind of same kind of scrolling is present in the previous phone, but the sound effects are different. As you can see friends, the sound effects are completely different in both the phones, and you do get this kind of what's the GPU performance and the battery percentage and the CPU usage, all these things, plus settings and the close. So one new option is called, this is a new advanced settings which is present in this latest MIUI 12.5 version, which is as you can see game turbo, which is developed for the Qualcomm Snapdragon and Adreno GPU. As you can see, you'll get this kind of information. So there you will be having different option to select from. So where you can select the default, save, prefer, balanced, or high quality of the custom. So if you go to the custom mode, you do have the option of selecting the refresh rate, how many refresh rate you want while playing the game. So you can even limit that kind of refresh rates. That's another good advantage where you have here. So this kind of another good thing, and anti-aliasing as well, and you can see filtering and texture filtering and all this kind of option, optimized graphics. There's so much of customization is going on friends here, where you can select from. Even you can select the 720 resolution or the default resolution while gaming. So where in the previous game turbo version you don't get any of those kind of options in the bottom, as you can see. So there none options are present in those previous version. But right now you do have this kind of additional settings where you can select classic mode, pro mode, and the customized mode. So where you can select the options of aiming accuracy and everything, as you can see. So these are the few options which are available right now here. So this will be there for every particular game. So for each and every game you can change the settings how you want to look like. So maybe in the PUBG game you want to play the game in 60 FPS, in another game if you want to play in 90 FPS. So this in-depth customization is available friends. That's another very good advantage here. And every time you want to go to this kind of enhanced visuals, you don't need to go to the settings and advanced settings. In the previous Game Turbo, you need to go to the settings and additional settings to get that kind of options, all of this. But right now it's available on the main screen itself. So without even going to the additional settings, you can actually change all these kind of settings here, as you can see, all these kind of options. So this is what I like in particularly a new Game Turbo edition. So addition of having this kind of thing, so which is a very good neat interface. And next thing is let's go to the settings option. Let's see what are the different options we do get in this kind of new update. So this is a home normal settings option page. You do have the Game Turbo, and in-game shortcuts, in-game shortcuts, uninstall games, same options, nothing much difference. So next is the performance mode, same option, optimization and memory exhaustion, same, and 5G network optimization. So nowadays we are seeing the MI phones and Redmi phones with the latest 5G chipset in the mobile phones. So maybe they thought of integrating this kind of option as well. So that's why you'll be able to see in the latest 12.5 MIUI versions, you will be seeing this kind of 5G network optimization, as you can see here. So this is a good optimization option which is available. So in case when the Game Turbo detects the 5G network, it can connect to your device to the best network available. So maybe to the Wi-Fi or to the 5G, depending upon the latency and the ping value as well. So next in the performance mode, so you do have only 3 options in the previous version of Game Turbo, but in the latest version of the Game Turbo you're having this 5G version and the GPU driver update. So that's another new thing. So where the GPU driver update is also available right now directly here. MI VLAN speed boost as well. So increase the connection speed by 10 to 20% when connected to the MI and Redmi routers. So there is another extra benefit you do get if you have the MI routers or Redmi routers, so in your smartphone. So maybe that might boost some kind of performance as well in your mobile phone while gaming, as you can see. Next is the game do not disturb. So let me try to show the game do not disturb option. So same answer calls and hands-free and enhanced experience, restrict the buttons and gestures. And one new option is called reject the voluntarily calls the SIM cards without the data service, as you can see. So when you're playing the games, all the incoming calls, the SIM cards without the mobile data service will be rejected automatically. So this is a new option which is present in this latest Game Turbo as well, as you can see. So this feature is only supported by the few mobile carriers in the China. So maybe this may not work in the rest of the world in the global version, but overall still this option is available in this phone. So all friends, these are the quick in-depth details about this Game Turbo comparisons. So now it's time to test the actual Game Turbo toolbox. So the toolbox, I mean the toolbox which you get while playing the game. So let me try to quickly start one of the game. So let me try to select the random game. And same kind of sound you do get when opening the both games. So here is the Game Toolbox option which is present on the top, and both are having the same kind of interface. So nothing got changed as well here. Let me try to quickly decrease. Let me try to show you more options what you have here. So there is a combo option is present. This is a new version which makes to add the two to three different tasks at same time. So this is a new combo which is available, so that I'll try to do in a separate video. So where rest of the options are same. So voice changer is there, so even the visual enhancement mode also are present here, where you can change the colors. Same option, casting, turn off screen, settings. So both are having the same kind of settings, so nothing much difference apart from having this compose option. So these are the quick comparison, friends, between the Game Turbo of the previous version to the new Game Turbo version after the MIUI 12.5 update. So for more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, HiTechGuru, and don't forget to check the links in description for more videos. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.